What's up there, crew? Matt here with TRW. This is Ask Matt, Season 2, Episode 234. So the question I got today, I was running through a ton of YouTube comments today, responding to as many as I possibly could. Probably ran through a good 300 to 400 today alone. Still not anywhere close to caught up, but I'm trying. But the question I got that was pretty cool, because I had just recently done something kind of about it, was, Matt, of all of the things that you buy, and I see you like the little gadgets and little different things to help move around when you're doing videos or whatever you're doing, heat press, cutting, of all the different things you've bought over the years, what do you think is the one best thing that you bought? Now, I'm not talking about equipment, or I'm not talking about business and things like that. I'm just talking about like different little things, like the products we love type stuff. And honestly, I gotta say, by far my favorite, I have probably 4 or 5 of these things around, are these lights. I'm telling you guys, if you have an auto clam heat press, these lights are super, super necessary, okay? Because a lot of you, depending on your lights, you see the lights in my room here, the lights are coming straight down on the press, so the press is covering up a lot, and it gets kind of dark in there. But these lights, and I'll show you, the clip is right here. I just flip it on, and it has a white light and a warm light, and then it has high and low. I go white light and high on both sides. Come over to this one, white light and high, and look at how bright my heat press area is now. Right? How awesome is that? So now, when I go in press, and I go back up, the lights clear it easy, super simple, but I use these things for everything, guys, not just the heat press. Now, I bought multiples just so I don't have to keep taking them off the press, but what's really nice is you can see how they just clip on. So your Hotronix heat press, right there, I can just clip it right there. It stays perfectly, and then this just adjusts to wherever I want. Now, if I'm weeding, I can just turn it, and now it's right here for when I'm weeding. Back to heat pressing, turn it back to there. So freaking functional, I'm telling you. But having both of them makes it really easy. And then the next thing, and you would have never guessed this, I guarantee you, comment below and let me know if you guessed this next thing, because I don't even know if I've ever really shown them, is just a USB extender. I use, man, I'm telling you, I probably have 20 of these things. 10, 20 of these things, easy, okay? So this is a 6-foot extender, which I think is pretty much about the best, or all I really need. And I do have a couple bigger extenders for all of the cameras when I'm doing different stuff in the office here. But the extender, what that allows me to do is if I wanted to take this one off, I could just bring it all the way over here to my workstation, and boom, okay? So I have this nice long cord to be able to move this basically 6 feet anywhere around the room that I want. So you can see. And then once I'm done with that, again, just grab my clip, bring it back to my press, drop it down there, and it's back at my press. So, of course, I do have these on the products we love, and then I also have the extenders. I want to say they're about $11 for a 2-pack. It's just the Amazon Basic. Super simple. I've never had an issue with any of them, but they're freaking awesome. This is the decal I made the other day in the glitter sign vinyl. Pretty sweet, right? The Starbucks cups we did. The TikTok shirt we did. Making another one. Cameo 4, baby. All right, so I hope this video helps you out. But again, I don't sell these. I gave you the link to Amazon, and they're super, super, super functional. I had looked into actually selling them, and then by the time I got them here, by the time I paid everything for them and got them shipped and whatnot, you were actually paying less on Amazon. So I would rather you save money, okay? There are places that sell heat press lights, okay? There's places that sell all different types of lights. Don't go buy them. Get them on Amazon. You can probably have them. Honestly, it's late right now, but if you order them tonight, they might still come tomorrow. But if not, you'll probably get them the day after, and then you're rocking and rolling. You got some perfect lighting on your heat press to make all of your jobs easier. And I guarantee you they will pay for themselves in no time, because it's going to save you time when you're pressing, because you're going to see a lot easier. So hopefully this helped you out. If you guys are liking these ass mats, of course, smash that like button right now. Hit it hard. Let's go. And then click that subscribe button, the little bell right next to it, and comment below. Give me some more amazing questions, and let me know if you guessed a USB extender as the other thing I was going to cover tonight, because I've never talked about that. I guarantee you, you did not guess that. You're lying if you say you did. All right, crew. I'll see you tomorrow. Later. Oh, and sorry, I did throw the link to the USB extenders and the lights in the description below if you don't have them already. Later, crew.